goal. Oh, there's a lot of stuff here. Okay. I wonder why it did that. There's a bunch of dead links. But it only removes them when I click on them. I wonder if there's a way to clear the cache. Whatever. Oh, this one is still there. Wrong button. Okay. I've been working on my map editor for a while. And I've become unsatisfied with the way that I designed my levels and the way that I designed the way you create levels. Essentially, like, the current way that it's working is that you play a level, you beat it, and then the camera switches to the next level, and then you play that one, and then it switches to the next one. So there's never any downtime. So I'm going to add, instead of linking levels together, I'll reverse the logic where a level is active when you're in the level's zone. When you exit that zone, then you're no longer in a level, and then the camera has to follow you. Yeah. Okay. I can't lower that. That sucks. Oops, I didn't mean to click that. Okay, so current behavior. Oh, close. I guess I'll do it the right way. Or not. Close. Okay. And now it loads the next one. Okay. Oh, that was cool. I didn't know I did that. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's a fake level. What? Oh, okay, yeah. Nice. Okay. Well, that's a lot of stuff that I got rid of. Filters. Hey, check that out. I'll show it later, actually. I just gotta remember how I coded that. Update. So this one doesn't care about anything. Okay. Okay, active level right here. Dum, 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 dum. What? Whoa. This is not good. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, there's a bit of cleanup to do. Kind of funny. Okay, this whole code changes now. Okay. So every time the level changes, I have to change that. And then there's this guy that automatically does that. I think that's a mistake. How does my code work so well? And then I see this. Huh, okay, that's the behavior. Oops, forgot about the music. Okay. Switch level. I need to see something. Oh no, I just got a new idea. Oh, that's bad. Man, this is so nice. Oops. I need to fix that at some point. Okay, anyway. Yeah. So old active level is something used for the camera to figure out if we're now on a different level. Okay, then we recompute the camera hoop. And then we fix that. Okay. Why is this not all the way down though? Wait. Wait a second. Yeah, I guess that's fine. Okay. Yeah. That's the exit mechanism. I might move it down. Okay. Okay. If manual. Okay, I'll add a quick variable and then clean that up afterwards. Also, let's get rid of all that. Okay. Where did I put manual? Okay, it's here. That could be an enum, but I don't really care, so whatever. Oh, too many languages. Let's start it with the through. Okay. If follow. Okay. That doesn't work. Oh, what? Okay, yeah, there's a bit of cleaning to do. Yeah, well, eventually it will be that, but not yet. But hey, welcome, Adipunken. Okay, update. So this is safe, perfect. This here needs to be different. Okay, that's good, that's good. Ah, that's interesting. I actually had a check for manual, but the check should not be there. Oh man, there's a bunch of stuff here to clean up. Okay. Okay, let's extract that. Recompute. Yeah, this assumes 4 level. Let's call it like that. Because that's what that is. Get rid of a bunch of checks. Huh. Okay. Oh, is that a thing? Wow. Huh. Wow, that's a thing apparently. I want to make a tweening library at some point. Yeah. This thing. Yeah, I want to create that. Then I can use it everywhere. Okay, what was I doing? Update. So now there's a follow. Recompute. Let's do that, and for now those can stay empty. This one. Huh. There's a few choices that I have. Either I focus on a point. Okay, here. Let's get back on my Milton. It's been a while since I used it. Let's... Okay. Nice. Oh, nice. Okay. So let's say there's a player, and then there's a camera that's keeping the player in view. So if the player goes that way, the camera also goes that way. Hey D-Crew, how are you doing? So I can make this whole rectangle focus on this center point. Like this is my target. Or I could... Okay. Focus. Or I could have my player be somewhere. And then have a rectangle that tracks the player. And then this thing has zooming. I'm doing pretty good too. So like this rectangle could be smaller, bigger. So like if I want the camera to zoom in here, then it would come really close. Or if you want to keep like that. And then the camera code can zoom in or out to optimize so that this whole rectangle is in view. I'm really tempted to do it like that. But no, I won't. Okay. Let's copy that. Or not. Okay, follow the player. Player, where is the player actually? Player unit. Player unit is part of the it's part of the gameplay class. I already have a camera. Oh, I've seen that before. Yeah, I remember that code. Or not. Yeah, I think I've seen this before. But yeah, I have a way better camera. That's also going to come out someday as a library, most likely. What is that? Oh, yeah, that's probably why. What? Oh, they want me to save? Oh, that's funny. because my camera is 2.5D. So it's a sort of orthographic camera, but that has perspective using like special math. Not sure why I commented that, but whatever. Okay. Just gotta remember position. Okay, so it's really the center. Really nice. Is it? What is that? Oh, it is used. Okay. No, it's fine. So I can just give you the player position, apparently. Target position. I wonder if that works. It's offset, but it works. Whoa. Alright, that's funny. Oh! Hey, thanks. Never mind. I thought there was something weird when I was switching levels, but the guy is moving, so that's the reason I'm moving. Oh, wow, this is smooth. Yeah, way better. Okay, let's fix that really fast. Wait, there's a bunch of stuff I don't understand. Why does it work instantly? because of that. Okay. Okay. Oh. This is fun. Really cool code right there. Okay, this needs to clean up a bit. Okay. Let's start with this. Why does the origin need to be computed there? Is this required for anything? I'm moving that down. Okay. No, did I do that? Oops. I think I'll just use the same. You know what? Follow active level. Let's do it like that. Okay. Hey, by the way, welcome to everyone that's new to the stream. Okay, that's fun. Wasn't there something about a speed somewhere? There is. Camera move speed. Okay, cool. What are the numbers like? Well, there's no default value. So I don't know what a good value is. I need to check the map, I guess. Camera move speed. Huh. Oh, that's cool. Huh, okay, that's how I did that. Oops. Let's just put it on 1. What happens if I give you 2? I guess I could also check how it's used. Speed. Okay, let's try to teleport then. Okay. Yeah, that's how it works. So the camera's position is the top right, top left rather. Okay, so I need to add half the screen. Can I use anything or? Was that the variable I needed? Oh. Oops. I'm not sure if that's the right variable. I assume it is, but... Whew, okay. Okay, so it's really a viewport. It's not at all the game world. Let's just create like center. Oops. Oh, it's so odd to. Okay. Something like that. Position. Okay. Okay. I think that's how that worked. Let's just copy the whole thing. I think I can simplify, but for now I'll use that. Okay. That gives me something like that. Did I really have the right stuff from the start and then use the wrong sign? Yep, that's actually what happened. Oops. That works. That's good. I wish it looked better on screen, on stream. I feel like I'm dropping some frames or something. Or it's not actually 60 FPS. Hey. I wonder why I didn't code that a long time ago. It really goes to show that, like, like I work on this for a while, and then I don't realize the potential for where I can bring the game. Like, this is really cool. Okay, so that works. That's good. Ooh, then interesting now. No, on my side it looks smooth, like super smooth. It's OBS, not catching. Everything. Maybe I need to give it a higher process. Oh, they changed this. I'm already on high. I did something a while ago to fix OBS so that it didn't, so that it could record really well, and I forgot what I did last time. Video. Yeah, I'm supposed to be 60 FPS, but it's not. I really want to fix that. Oh, it's a Windows 10 Windows update bug, I think. Could be that I need to raise the bitrate. I'm already at 5K though. That sucks. Yeah, it's smooth for me, but I really wanted to record like high quality streams. Oops. Hey, let's try to play with that. Oops. Oh, that's so weird. Yeah, 5K. Whoa, it's almost playable. Oops. Yeah. It's so hard. It's way harder to play the game when the camera follows you, because the position moves where you're supposed to click. Oops. Oh, I missed it. Yeah, I'm barely at like 10% CPU. Oops. Maybe it was the graphics card or something. Oh. I'll have to experiment after the stream. Oh. Ooh, close. Oh no. Oh. Wait, I'll try to play it from the first level. There's one thing I want to fix. Reset screen. Yeah, but it's not Twitch. Like, even from the OBS, I see that it's stuttering. Yeah. Like, I see it on my side too, when I look at the OBS recording. I forgot how to solve this right. Ah, oh, close. Man, I hate that. Got it. Oops. It changes the whole game when the camera moves like that. Oops. Oh. I hate it too much. I can't do that. Okay. Okay, so that works. Oh, keyframe interval? Let's go check. I'm pretty sure it's set to 2 if I remember correctly. It's set to auto right now. Was auto the right one or was it 2? Hmm. I just set it to 2. Let's try. Okay. Ah, this is so much nicer. But it's still stuttering. Hey, by the way, welcome to everyone that's new to the stream. If you guys want to join my Discord, here's the link. Ooh, nice. Oh. Damn. Oh, close. This is messing me up, the way that it's, I'm reusing the same terrain. Oh. Nice. Way easier when the camera is not moving. Okay. So now I have a way to have the camera follow the player. I guess now is the right time to create an enum. Mode. Manual. Follow. Level. Yeah, it's so odd. to check my CPU. Yeah, CPU is fine. Yeah, I'll check later. I'm not convinced about this though. Manual follow level. Force in game. 260. Oh yeah, that's true. But I have managed to stream. Okay, I'll try it really fast, but bonding. That should work. Wow, that actually worked. Are you shitting me? Hey. Wow, okay, well, good one right there. I hate that I see some numbers drop though. I'll have to investigate. Yeah. Oops. Maybe that's what I did a long time ago and I forgot. Yeah, way better. There's still a bit of stutter once in a while. It might be the garbage collector. I'm not sure. Yeah, there's a lag. That was caused by the net framework. Rashtal core 2.0. I had a project that I fixed that. Wherever that was. I think this project. Example. Netcore app, okay. Then I'm not sure how I can fix it. But I know it's because of something. Okay, well, good to know. I'm not convinced on that one. Because if I add this, it requires that I keep track of the mode and then switch accordingly. Maybe that's what I want though, maybe not. Also, it leaves room for an error. I do something similar with my time. Elapsed time, total time. Yeah, so I keep track with this update time. Real time. That's a stopwatch. Oh, that's whoops, mono game thing. Broke that. There we go. Equal new. Ticks per second divided by 60. I wonder if it makes a difference if I put that before or after these things. Oh, okay. Are you real? For real? What? Wow, you're good. Is that really what fixes that? Incredible. Now I'm really curious to go check the source code. How can it fail? What? Wait. Whoops. So this is wrong, right? Well, I'm complaining like every single time that I see the stutter, but I never knew that was why. And like a couple months ago, I was like asking for help, like what's going on, and then a bunch of people like downloaded my game example source code, and then we investigated, and then we thought that it was the garbage collector. Wow. Well, that's a today I learned type of thing. Okay, well that's really good. Well, I thought I did. I guess not. That like makes my life so much better. Yeah. So every few frames you'd get a stutter because of their shitty, like we need to do a pull request on that. Like replace whatever they did to that. So wait a second. So that has a value of this. Divided by 60. 166666. And is that a... That's a long... So it does get rounded, no? Wait a second. 166666. So they rounded it up. But a long rounds it down. That's a long divided by that. Yeah, this is rounded down. This needs to be a 6. Like if I were to take this, boop, and then put a 6 here, that works. Normally I should have like the right value. It doesn't work. Why? Why does that not work? Yeah, I know, but to me that looks exactly the same. That's a time span. That's also a time span. They're both using ticks coded in longs. How does like using this change anything? What? I forgot how to write this. Okay, there we go. Right. I'm doing too much JavaScript lately. Actually, let's do the whole thing. Oh, yeah, too much JavaScript. Is that not exactly the same? Oh, I just got a stutter, but it's not the same level. Or maybe it is? Yeah. Maybe that's my garbage collector though. Maybe it's a different issue. Or maybe not. Did I put it back on the wrong one? No. Well, I don't understand anything anymore. Yeah, whatever. I'm not convinced on that. I'll wait a bit. Okay, let's fix that really fast. Okay, the zoom gets reset. I think I had the same issue with this game. If we look at this, it drops once in a while. Okay. Core. Oops. Oh, that's annoying. VSync? That's a good point. By default, is it off? What? That's dumb. So by default, it's true. Okay. That seems to work. Yeah, really nice. Oh. Yeah, probably. Not sure. Looks good. Okay. Let's try that. There's a bit of lag once in a while, but I think it's fine. Couple noticeable stutters. Oh, what? Okay.
It's showtime.
Hey, welcome, Adam. How are you doing? Raid. Well, welcome to the stream. Sacre bleu. Hey, it's been so long since I came to your stream. Okay, well, I'm reworking my camera right now.
I am a
Thanks for the follow, Wall Genie. Yeah. Let's see your game. Okay, let's go. I'll lower the music.
I am a robot.
Thanks for the follow, Life's Meaning 42. Okay, so here's the prompt for my game. It's a game where you're on an alien planet. Where all of life on this planet has evolved to use some sort of volcanic energy. Hey, welcome, Lady Kitsuko and Sir Fetish Fancy. Welcome. Yeah, so all of life has evolved to use this volcanic energy. So the trees here have free-flowing lava. And on top of that, you control a little creature. And you try to avoid the fire explosions. So here we go. So every level is a loop, and you're trying to figure out the safe spots for how to cross. Yeah, so this level is pretty hard. It's not like an early level. Ooh, close. Okay, yeah, so that's the basic idea for the game. So you get a bunch of explosions, you try to figure it out, and then you try to cross without dying. Oops. Oh, what? Looking great, thanks. So it's a sort of, whoops.
I am a robot.
Thanks for the follow, Subaraf. So it's a sort of puzzle game. Where it's you against the environment. The whole engine is handcrafted. Hey, yeah, peace. I stream a bit less often than usual because I now have a full-time job as a software developer, and I do this a bit more part-time. Oh, close. Hey, yeah, thanks. Subaraf. Also, welcome to everyone. If you guys want to join my Discord, here's the link. I usually have Nightbot, but I forgot to invite it back. Oh, what? Ooh, close. I'll beat this level and then I'll show the map editor. Boom. Yeah. That type of comment. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, close. Yeah, so that's the basic idea for the game. The whole game can be created from inside the game. So I have access to all the assets right here. And they're designed to plug really well. Like a sort of little puzzle. All the shadows get applied. Then you can set like where you want the player to be able to walk. So that's logic. And then on top of that you get the art. Not everything is finished, but that's what I have for now. Okay, this is fine. Oops. I forgot where everything is. Actually.
I am a robot.
Thanks for the follow, no skill, just luck. Welcome. Volcanic. 2, 4.
I am
Grass.
a robot.
Thanks for the follow, Dunho. And then just like that, you get like, oops. Perfect. Just like that, you get a level that you can play on. I need to fix that. Oh, nice, StarCraft. Yeah, I broke my camera just now. Okay, nice, nice. Okay. Yeah, so that's the basic idea for like the map editor and
I am a robot.
hey, thanks for follow, Attack Win. I'll try one really far down. And giant 10 more times? That's too hard. Wow. Music? The music is Protoss 1, I believe from StarCraft 1. Yeah, the original one. I wrote the songs like up here. Perfect. Yeah, so it's generally pretty nice to use the map editor and create a bunch of levels. Oh yeah, I forgot that I put stuff in holes nowadays. I want a big level. 12. So the art is made to fit really well. So that it looks like it's always hand-drawn. Well, it is hand-drawn, but it's also made to fit. That's one way to end the song. Okay, this level. So I'm reworking the way that levels are designed right now. So right now levels are made so that they always link into each other's. I want to change that where instead a level will have a zone of influence, and then when you step inside of that zone, the level will load. So that way I can, instead of making always straight paths, I'll be able to walk in any directions, divide the map however I want, and then let the player walk freely in the world. Okay, what can I do here? Three, four. Five, okay, I like this. Like that. 15. Boom, 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 boom. 15, 19. Yeah. But I gotta, yeah. What I have now looks good, and then what I wanna do is even better. But yeah, the making a game is a way to justify like making map editors for me. Wait, is that? Okay, let's do that. Boop boop. 27. Boop. 31. And then let's drop that down to 35.
I am a robot.
Thanks for the follow, Cosmic Peapod. The way that it comes back is faster, slightly. Huh. It's really hard to make levels that are not too fast and not be runnable like that. Let's do it like that. Poop. 27. Let's do that. 10. Oops. 33. Okay, I need to increase this. That's kind of fun. I don't think this is runnable as easily. Nice, nice. Yeah, it's still runnable, but it's not the same. I like the pattern when it comes back. Oops, lag. Yeah, this might be fine, the way that... Yeah. For now, even this explosion is temporary, it's a draft. Boom, boom. Let's do like one here. Like it ricochets. That might be a bit too much. Oh, that's kind of cool actually. I like the pattern. Oh. Yeah, that's true. I could rotate them. I already handle size. They're made to stretch and fit inside of an area. But right now the map editor only supports one size. But I could go edit the map manually and then play with that. Boom. Okay, can I still run that? Oh, close. Oh, oops. I really wanted to make it not runnable without putting too much complexity, but this is becoming complex. I guess that's the downside of making short levels. Yeah. I'll change that into volcanic. Let's play it. Boom. Doom. I had an idea just now. Boom. Okay. 24. Hey, that's kind of fun. Yeah, that's something I'm definitely adding. Lava sprites. Essentially, like the ground becomes lava for X amount of time, and then it stops you from walking there, and then it disappears. Or like it might, or it doesn't need to disappear, but it could. So it could block paths for a certain amount of time. And one more thing I want to add is teleportation. I could like create islands that are separated and then teleport you between. This is a custom engine. It's coded on top of Monogame. So if you, I'm sure there's like a link to the website. One framework for it. So you build on top of this, and then your game works on iOS, Android, Mac, Linux, Windows, Xbox, PS4, like a bunch of stuff, Switch. But they give you like the bare bone, and then you build like all the stuff that you need. There's a lot of really great game made with this. Oh, for scenery. Yeah, that's a good idea, actually. Yeah, having like lava drop down into the abyss. I also want to have water, but that's... I'm not sure how I'll do that just yet. But like, imagine if you're playing and then there's like a little water stream. Or just like a pool of water somewhere, like here. And then you can like go and drink a bit. Wasn't there a link somewhere for like all games? Scully got their name there. I forgot where it was. But like some famous games are made in this. For example, Celeste, Fez, Stardew Valley, Bastion. I'm not sure about the other one. What was it called? Made by the same creators as Bastion. I think it's the same engine too. Yeah. A bit more things that are alive. That would be definitely a must. Let's see if I can beat this. Oh. I really like the rhythm. Oh, got it. Maybe that's a good level. It's not insanely hard, but it doesn't really show like what this game has to offer. Yeah. Okay, let's design it the right way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try to design it the way I used to design levels, because I feel like I can do better. Okay, so that was 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3. 1, 2. 3. Okay, let's give that a try. And I come on from the top. That's how I used to design levels. Let's try to do something like that. Let's move that there. Let's remove everything. How do I remove keyframes? Oh, I can. Nice. Okay. Oops, I removed the last keyframe. Are you guys ready for the next movie? For Avatar? Okay. Hey, Tuk Tuk. Yeah, long time. A lot has changed for me. I now have a full-time job. I got hosted by Adam. He's really good. He's from Australia. He's been working on his game for about the same amount of time as me. Let's do a big boop like that. Boom, boom. 300. That actually leaves time to go that way, but that's fine. Yeah, me too. What's the job? Oh, sorry, I kind of got in my own thinking. I work as a software developer for security, health, and environment company. Local. Nice explosion, yeah. What's new with the game? A lot of little things. I reworked the whole way that my engine is organized. Let's just show you. Like the way that it's divided now, I have my game code here, and then my platform code here. So I can add like, here's a core that supports almost everything, like Windows, Mac, Linux. DirectX that supports only Windows, and then I can add new ones whenever I want. I created my own pipeline. I created my own content pipeline that I'm not really using, but like maybe it's gonna become cool someday. And then there's also the monogame pipeline organized here with all my stuff that I'm using. Yeah, anyway, don't bother too much. Like this is some platform specific stuff. And then there's the game itself that I divided into 2 layers. And also my pipeline. So the way I designed my pipeline, by the way, pipeline is something that takes raw assets like images and then converts them into something that the game can use. That could be like JSON files that you want to validate, but still keep as a JSON. The usual way in monogame to do that, yeah, maybe, is to go through the content pipeline, but man, I don't know what I'm saying anymore. The usual way to do that is that there's a sort of separation between the game and the pipeline, and it requires you to duplicate a lot of code. And then there's also like a separation between what we call a reader. That the reader takes like the processed file and then reads it into your game. And then like you develop the pipeline separately from the readers a lot of the time. Anyway, so I prefer to have things here where I can have the code live with the game. Yeah. And then that's why I divided my game into layer 0. That's files that I can use in the pipeline and in the... Oops, didn't mean to do that. And in the game. I don't know what I just said. Layer 0 is something that is really low level and that can be accessed by pre-built tools. So before the game is compiled, this, whatever is in layer 0 can be used. And then the pipeline is allowed to put stuff in layer 1. And also layer 1 is allowed to use layer 0. In practice, this is done with like shared projects. So it's files that are not compiled except by a platform, which is where like the platforms come in. Like I don't know if I made sense, but anyway, it allows me to have code that is reusable without having to make a library. And yeah. So like this is going to, I believe, grow pretty well. Yeah. If you didn't understand that, it's fine, because I don't think I understood what I just said anyway, so. So what are the new features? New feature. I'm able now to edit levels in my new map editor. Yeah, so I can go in here, see my keyframes, and yeah, put them wherever I want. I'm feeling some lag right now. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, so it's getting really nice. I can like go somewhere. Where do I want the next level? Poop. And then define this region as the area that the camera will focus. Yeah, it seems nice. I also now handle a lot of like undo redo. So like if I do, I put that there, I can undo, I can redo. Like I can do like copy paste, put like explosion here. I can cut and then put explosions wherever I want. Yeah, so that's pretty nice. But even more important than that, which is not something I've implemented yet, but if you remember, like 3 years ago, the game was designed where it's linear. You beat one level, and then the next level plays. And then you beat that one, and then the next level. So originally, I had a list of levels, and when you beat one, you load the next element in the list. And then the engine grew around that. At some point, I hired an artist, and then he blew up like the project. Like he, like with the art, it stopped being like really linear and stopped being like even tile based. It used to be that everything was a tile. Now it's like different. It's more complex than just tiles, like with all the graphics are done. And then that's wait one sec, let's go back in the game. And then that gave me the opportunity to I'll just need to go back. Okay, there we go. So like you play the game linear tuk, and now you have the choice. Either I go here or I go here. You can see how like now the paths can branch. Yeah. Yeah, so much possibilities. Okay, here, that's where my point is going. It's become way too complex. And like, for a long time I was like really unsatisfied with the current way that I'm working, and it's making it really hard. Because if you look, where am I? Yeah, if you start to look at like the levels, everything is like starting to get really hard and really hard. Like this level, there's like an end zone, and when you step here, you consider the level done. Oops. Sorry. Yeah, you see how complex this is? So like, yeah, you play the game, poop, and then you're still in the level, and then you solve the game, and then the next level loads. And because of the way that I started to make this game, I didn't realize the new potentials that I could do by just changing my mindset. So this is where I'm at right now. I'm changing my new mindset. It's no longer a level with an endpoint. I want to change it where a level is active, not when you beat a previous level, but when you enter its zone of influence or its area. So like I could define here like little like a rectangle where when you're in this rectangle, play this level. And then when you exit that rectangle, you're no longer in any level. No level is loaded. And then maybe like this level right here has a different zone of influence, and then when I step here, then that level plays, and then the camera focuses and whatever. And then when if I decide to walk back, so I'm here, walk back, then unload this level, and then go switch the camera into a follow mode, and then the player can move freely, no longer associated to a specific level. Yeah. Oops. I don't really care if I lose the map that I was making. So here's where this is at. If I change that, so I coded that earlier today. Yeah, so much possibilities. Yeah, so by switching that where a level is loaded when you're in the level, so like here I can move freely, camera follows me, maybe there's like a bit more smoothness. And then you go here, and then the camera focuses the level, it stops moving. Then you play the level, arrive at the end, step out of it, and then now I'm not... Did you respawn? I would be open to open source. I actually already open sourced a lot of my code. Check that. So like I'm trying to open source as much as possible. Hey Daedal, long time no see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 2 big libraries right now. My input library, that's what manages my, like when you're clicking. I have my UI library. That's what lets me draw my UI. So for example, those buttons, things like here. Yeah, it's very like responsive. Like when you click somewhere, it's really fast. I also have my history library. That's what handles my undo redo in my map editor. So I can just call undo redo. There's also this that I'm not really using much. Last update, May 6th. Yeah, this needs a lot of work, but it already works, but it's not yet convincing that it's better to use this than the real monogame pipeline. And then there's also this where that's my ideal game architecture for monogame. So like you clone this or like .NET new, and then you can create your game, and then it initializes something that works with my pipeline. There's also the monogame pipeline here. Some content that can be built in my pipeline. Yeah, anyway. I'm really trying to move towards open sourcing the map editor. I really want this to be easy to use and then reusable in other projects. I think it's really cool to be able to like pop in the game, pop in the game, have an infinite map, define like your content, and then be able to like put stuff down in an infinite world. Being able to like select stuff. Oops. Copy, paste. Yeah. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah. But yeah, if you have like different ideas for things that I didn't open source yet, message me on Discord. Maybe we can think of something. Or if you want like closed source access. That's so sick. So what are the next steps? Yeah, so the next step is to do that, like switch the logic so that I don't need to link levels together, but just create the level, put it where you want in the world, and then the engine figures out if a level is playing or not. That's the next big step. Doing it like that will allow me to it will allow me to design maps like this. Like imagine like someone that wants to make an arena just for like training or just for fun. So you could like define like an island and then like put different things like you could have like a level here and then a level here, level here. Maybe like something here. And then the player could just like roam. Like I want to go here or I want to go here, and like it doesn't matter anymore. You can just go and then the level plays whichever one you choose. That's way more interesting, I think. Yeah. Yeah, this. Like this lava. Nice. Welcome everyone. Yeah, that would be really fun. Like designing arena maps. Like just put areas down and let the player like go where they want. Or even have like replayability, like this guy likes this level, so he goes like here, plays this level, and then wants to play it again, comes back and then do it again. It's kind of fun. Maybe with a more interesting design, but otherwise like, yeah. Oh, that's fun. I forgot I did that. Yeah, exactly. But yeah, just this concept of not being actively engaged in a level and allowing the player to move freely, that changes everything. It's like really simple. Like I should have thought about that from the start. Cause like check what I was doing right now. Content. Maps. Like this is an example map right now. So that's a level right there. I need to define end areas. And for each one I need to define which level is linked to it. So then if I have like 10 branches, I need to define 10 links. Yeah. And then you have like the explosion. I think I have an example where there's a time and areas. This one links into this. So this one is a bit more complex because I had to define two, like to cover the exit, I had to define more than one zone. So this zone here, it links there, and this zone here links to the same level. Yeah, cooperatively. Yeah, exactly. But also like long term, I can even decide to add more to this game, like more level types, which wouldn't they wouldn't need to be the same levels. I could define like different puzzle types if I wanted. Or reuse the engine and then do something else, but yeah. Like this one here, end area here that links here, 352. And then this one. Oh, also, not even that. Just the idea that I have to have an ID. And then the next thing you know, like a player like edits the ID or like someone that, and then it breaks all the links. Like it becomes so hard to manage so fast. How do I make sure the ID is unique? Yeah. It's way better to think of a level as something that is standalone. Music is there. And it even makes more sense to think of it that way anyway. Okay. I wanted to define to also change the map editor so that it's layered. Yeah, you see like this one has an end zone here and an end zone there. This one has two end zones for the same one. Like I even had to do like a fake thing. Oh, I'm still in follow mode. Okay. Check this one. You play this level. I'll put in invincible mode. How do I make that? Immortal F11. Okay, so you play this level. You reach here. Next one loads. Boop. So now you're able to go here, but you're not able to go back. You see that? The reason for that is that there's a proxy level that is exactly the same as this, but it doesn't have this zone right there. Yeah, I can't select it, but it's there. So it's very cheap. Yeah. It's like a hack to not have to do. Yeah. Anyway, so now I got my follow the player camera. Let's try with the gamepad. Did I break that? Why am I so slow? Also, there's a bit of stuttering. Let's restart. Maybe I bugged it.
I am a robot.
Thanks for the follow, Supreme Game Expert. Welcome. How did I break my controller? That sucks. Yeah. Oh, I thought I was still immortal. Oops. Woo. Huh. Gameplay. Why did I break that? I don't see anything obviously wrong. Oops. There's a sort of bouncing. It's kind of annoying. At least it goes faster and I still feel like I have control. How come? Oh, whoops. Ah. Oops. Ah. When the camera moves, it's so hard. Boom. Ah. Who got it? Oh. I like this one. Oops. I like this sort of pause. Oh. I'm too slow. Ooh. Oh, nice. So this is not the worst for a controller. But dying and then respawning sucks. I don't know if you were there when I worked on that, but yeah, now the pathfinding works everywhere on the map. Yeah, there's a sort of weird bouncing. Yeah. Cause I don't know. I never got around to like getting that changed. But also like animation is sort of hard. Oops. Ba-dum-bum. Yeah. It's sort of, I don't know if it's a defect on my controller or something. Hey, that was the first asset that I ever made, I think, for this game. Hey, peace. Okay, I guess I need to... it's kind of late already. I need to... Hey, peace, thanks. Yeah, you... I don't know what you're doing nowadays, but yeah, good luck too. I'm guessing you already came back from New Zealand, right? I don't know why that was needed. Yeah. What happens to target elapsed time when I make my fixed time step through false rather? Right, that's another thing I want to do. Update. That should not be there. Oh, is that a bug? Current mode. That should not be there. I'm doing that twice. Load camera and then that. And current mode, who sets that? Yeah, that's wrong. Okay. Let's copy that. Put that there. And also put that there. Okay. And then reset screen. Camera move speed. Oh, did I do that? Oops. Yeah, I need to set the depth so that when I go in follow mode, it switches. Is it working? Oh, 4 is far. 2. There we go. 2 is better. What? Okay. Wait, what happens if I... Oh, it works? How does this work so well? Okay. Ah, that's the reason. What is depth used for? Only here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Stage that. Okay. And also there's a bug fix I need to do really fast. Position player unit dot middle. What is it called? Yes. There's a get middle. Oh, cool. Okay. That should be better. Now we're zooming in on the center. Much better. Um, there's one thing I'm forgetting maybe. That's odd code right there. Why do I need this first part? What am I forgetting? What should happen if I'm in manual mode and I reset? Okay, it doesn't move. I think that's fine. Okay. I'm tempted to end the stream here. Yeah. Follow mode is done. To implement the next part, I need to think a bit for how I want my levels to be. Oops. I need to remove this part where it's end areas and then the way that it links, and change that into just the area of effect. Yeah. Okay, yeah. And then from there, I need to also figure out the way I want to integrate that into my level editor. And yeah, because the level editor, this part where I edit the level is badly designed. It's not obvious which mode I'm in. So I need to be able to... Whoa, that's slow. Oh, I forgot to unlock. Okay. Yeah, so first step, I need to be able to define where a level is. So I go here and I say this is a level. Poop. So this is a level in the game world. Okay. Then the level has keyframes. I can only edit the level a keyframe if I have a level selected. Okay, so now we're going down into the level itself. And then there's also the keyframe editing itself, where I add a keyframe and then I can put obstacles. Okay. Then I will also need like a way to define the zone of influence, like where you're standing here means like you're active in that level. There's also the part where I need to be able to define the size of an obstacle. So I want to take this and be able to stretch it maybe, to make it bigger. Spawn point is also a thing. So I can say you spawn here, or you spawn here, or here. Okay. Yeah, anyway. So thanks for watching, everyone. I should host someone. Let's see. Ludum there. Oh yeah, that was this weekend, right? Okay, I don't have anyone following. So let's go into the right section, science. Let's see if I know.
I am a robot.
Hey, thanks for the follow, High Flyer. Welcome. I'm looking for someone to host. If you guys have ideas, preferably someone doing game dev. I can't see anyone in my follow list online right now. I might host a German. Are you guys up for a German stream? Did that work? Oh, wrong one. I need to edit that. There we go. 8 seconds. So yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. Hopefully you had a good time. Yeah, I'm getting like a really good new direction for the game. Okay, anyway, peace.